The project Excalibur is an effort made by 16 partners from 11 EU countries, which comprises representatives of research institutions, bioinocular manufacturers, agricultural advisory centres, and farmers' associations, which work to improve the knowledge on soil biodiversity dynamics in relation to the different agroecological factors for enhancing the efficacy and application of biocontrol and biofertilization practices in horticultural farming.
The core concept of the Excalibur project derives essentially from the knowledge that most of the biodiversity of the agricultural systems resides below ground in the soil, where microbial communities interacting with other soil organisms, with soil matrix, with plants and so on, play a key role in shaping the crop performance. Therefore, we plan to promote soil biological functions and diversity, integrating the normal management practices with novel formulations containing beneficial microbial bioinocula and biofactors to understand how they can affect the overall crop productivity, but also the native soil biodiversity and fertility on three model crops having a major economic impact in Europe, such as apple, strawberry and tomato.
A major advantage of bioinocula is their potential multifunctionality, so being able, for example, to improve plant nutrition and also increase plant tolerance to biotic and abiotic stresses. However, any application of beneficial inocula and bioeffector should consider their formulation technology and the methods for field application. Indeed, an effective formulation is critical and must be specifically designed for the different kinds of strains. These aspects will be dealt with by the project, particularly when formulating co-inocula of different strains or combining bioinocula with bioeffectors.
The use of bioinocula by farmers can be increased only when knowledge on their effect and a reliable efficacy is assured. The project work is expected to develop indexes and specific decision support systems to help farmers correctly using the bioinocula. These tools are strongly needed by advisors and farmers to steer farming practices that enhance the sustainability of crop production, preserve soil biological fertility and ecosystem functioning. Indeed, we believe that the traceability, environmental monitoring, impact and efficiency of bioinocula represent the foundations for the safe use of such products.
Excalibur is expected to generate new knowledge on interactions between bioinocular, the plant, and soil micro, meso, and macroorganisms under different agricultural production systems. The novel multifunctional bioinocular and field protocols developed shall promote the adoption of a biodiversity-driven soil management by farmers, also because the evaluation of their efficacy in improving plant health and reduction of external inputs under open field conditions includes the assessment of bioinocular economic feasibility and ecosystem functions.